So I'll put this video on Premiere. It could be maybe happen to be published a little bit late, but I'm just recording it today on Wednesday. It's been 4 hours. When 4 hours after the release of NFP, and we happen to see NFP, the job at the labor market, coming out to be positive. Yeah, and also the unemployment rate also slowing down. So basically, what does this mean to the dollar? It means some good strength to the dollar. Yeah, the dollar gained, as you could see. Yeah, the job count, it came to about 66, is it 130k? Yeah, that was the actual, and the forecast was 66k. So it was way more bullish. Yeah, so according to the setup that we had, like today I analyzed in the morning, I had my POI, points of interest or areas of interest. And let's go to the DXY so that we start off with the DXY. DXY, you could see my H4 area of interest. DXY, this was the NFP candle on H4. Yeah, it came out, the results came out positive, good for the dollar, and we happen to see the dollar spiking up, the DXY. Yes, so currently this is H4. If I take you to 15 minutes, currently I'm waiting for a confirmation setup. Confirmation setup, since my POI is on H4, so confirmations I normally take them from lower time frame, like 15 minutes, because time frame alignment 4 hour corresponds with 15 minutes. So this is my setup. Confirmation entry. This is the low that took liquidity, and this is the opposing side of liquidity. Yeah, that. Sorry for that. Yes, I had to pause a bit. Someone was on my door. Yes, so lower time frame confirmation. Again, I have to look for another shift in market structure. This was my chalk. Then I had to mark my discounted area PDRA. Yeah, as my order block. So I'm waiting for price to come back to this order block on 15 minutes. Then this is where I'm gonna start buying the DXY off. So the entire setup on H4 with a refined order block on 15 minutes is this. I'm hoping to see the DXY continuing to buy following this pullback phase. So here on 15 minutes, this was the inducement on 15 minutes. This was the inducement on 15 minutes. And after the inducement, below we had the decision order block. This is the decision order block on 15 minutes. Price is currently reacting at the decision order block, and this should be my extreme order block on 15 minutes. Yeah, within the same range. I'm trading within the same range, decision and extreme order block. Yeah, so basically, yeah, I normally sometimes I normally take like refined entries like on lower time frame. Sometimes I don't go to lower time frame. I can just take entries from H1 or H4 directly as okay, wait, mostly they're always my swing entries. They're always swing entries. Yeah, so DXY, we're still seeing the possible pullback. Yeah, we can decide if this decision order block might hold. Then if it holds, yeah, probably it can it can start buying off of from this decision order block, but I don't think the decision order block is likely to hold. So it might come back to the extreme, this order block below. Yeah. So I'm hoping to see some buys on the DXY. So Euro USD, GBP USD, the same applies in the opposite side. GBP USD, I have two areas. I have the chalk, you can see the chalk, the BOS. This is my decision order block. Let me mark it. I'm waiting for shorts on these pairs, and this is my extreme order block. You can see I'm waiting for shorts. So basically, it's a waiting game just to see that price comes back to your POI so that you can start selling them. So these are my two POI on 15 minutes according to GU. EU, still we have 2 points of interest. We have the decision point of interest, and also we have the extreme. So basically, already we have our chalk, our change of character. Let me just try to, I'm not using the mouse, I'm using, so this is our chalk, this was our chalk, and still our chalk. Yeah, so basically we're waiting for price to pull back towards our POI so that we can still sell off these pairs. Gold on H4. Gold on H4, there was a level of liquidity actually which was swept when NFP got released. Yeah, that's the kind of liquidity we got, which got swept. And basically, if we go on lower time frame on 15 minutes, I think we had a chalk on 15 minutes. This is the chalk and gold. This is the chalk. Okay, the chalk, gold, after sweeping liquidity, it shifted below. So I would wait to sell off gold somewhere here at this area of what? Resistance. Yeah, I'm waiting to see how gold might react at this area of resistance. Probably we might expect to see gold dropping. Yeah, but nevertheless, gold can still invalidate this area of resistance. If it invalidates it, then I'll use this area of resistance as my support to continue buying it off. Because when we go to H4, we still have areas of what? Supply. Yes. And we have a lot of imbalances. So this is what I say. Thanks for watching. Yeah, maybe the time you watch this, already I'll be holding my trades on GU. I'll be selling GU. I think I'll be sharing GU tomorrow. Thank you.